Welcome to yet another video by Elan Classes Jaipur. Today we are going to learn some vocabulary related to old age. So we are going to read a paragraph related to les vieillards, the old people. In front of us, there are some new words. First is 80 ans sonné. 80 means 80. 80 years, sonné, absent-minded. So when a person gets old, his mind becomes absent, feeble. So 80 ans sonné means 80 years, absent-minded, feeble 80 years. Perclus means paralyzed. La vue basse means low, weak eyesight. Une pomme de renette flétrie means a faded apple. Flétrie means faded. Rides profondes. Rides are wrinkles. Profonde, deep. So deep wrinkles, rides profondes. Sillonne son visage amaigri. They crisscross his weakened face. Sillonner, it means to crisscross. Crâne chauve means bald head. Crâne means head or skull, and chauve means without hair, bald. Voix charotante means quavering or trembling voice. Un peu dur d'oreille, somewhat hard on listening. Dos légèrement voûté. Dos is back, légèrement, slightly. Voûté means bent, a slightly bent back. Jouir de sa retraite. Jouir means to enjoy. To enjoy one's retired life. So here is the paragraph. Les vieillards, old people. Dans son fauteuil, placé près du fourneau, in his chair, placed near the furnace, grand-père fume la pipe. Grandfather is smoking his pipe. Il a 80 ans sonné. He has 80 absent-minded years. Tout perclus de rhumatisme. All paralyzed with rheumatism. Il ne sort guère que les jours de beau temps. He moves out hardly, except when the weather is good. Lorsque il veut lire son journal, when he wants to read his newspaper, il réclame ses lunettes. He cries for his specs. Car il a la vue basse, because he has weak eyesight. Sa figure ressemble à une pomme de renette flétrie. His face resembles with a faded apple. Car des rides profondes sillonnent son visage amaigri. because the deep wrinkles crisscross his thin face. Il n'a plus de dents. He doesn't have teeth. Et son crâne chauve ne porte plus qu'une couronne de cheveux blancs. And his bald head does not carry except a crown of white hair. So there's nothing except a crown of white hair on his head. Il parle d'une voix chevrotante. He speaks in a quavering voice, trembling voice, et souvent assez haut, and often high enough, car il est un peu dur d'oreille, because he is hard on listening. Et croit volontiers que tout le monde est comme lui, and he believes that everybody is like him. Everybody listens, hears. Hi. Malgré ses infirmités, in spite of his weaknesses, il a gardé une excellente mémoire. He has kept, or he has an excellent memory. Et il aime raconter les souvenirs de passé. And he likes to retell the memories of the past. Pour sortir, il s'aide d'une canne. For going out, he helps himself with a stick. Because car sa démarche n'est pas ferme comme autrefois. Because his walk, his steps is not as firm, as steady as it had been in the past. Ses membres tremblent un peu. His limbs tremble a bit. Et son dos est légèrement voûté. And his back is slightly bent. Pourtant, il n'est pas important et il espère jouir de sa retraite pendant quelques années encore. Still, or however, he is not infirm, he is not so weak, and he hopes to, il espère, he hopes to enjoy his retirement during some more years. Nous l'entourons de soins, we lavish care on him, et nous lui prodiguons notre affection, and we lavish our affection on him, car nous l'aimons bien, because we like him very much. Et lui est heureux quand il voit tous ses enfants, petits-enfants et arrière-petits-enfants réunis autour de lui. And he is also happy when he sees all his children, grandchildren, and great-grandchildren reunited or assembled around him. Alors, il nous fait penser à quelques patriarches de la Bible. Then he makes us think about some biblical patriarch. So hope this has enriched your vocabulary. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe the video. See you later.